Welcome back to my Software Booziness, where we create tools to revolutionize your digital marketing. Today we're focusing on our Content Scheduler AI, a tool designed to automate your content planning and execution with precision. We'll show you how to enhance it by integrating the OpenAI API for even smarter automation. And remember, this is just one of the many innovative solutions we offer to help you maximize your marketing efforts. Let's get started and see how Content Scheduler AI can transform your strategy. Start by visiting OpenAI's website. OpenAI is the company behind ChatGPT. Even if you already have a ChatGPT account, the API requires separate access. You'll find the link to OpenAI's API section in the description below this video, as well as in our standard operating procedures document. Once you're on the OpenAI site, log in with your choice of a Google, Microsoft, or Apple account if it's your first time. After logging in, navigate to the API section from the dashboard where you'll find options for ChatGPT, DALL-E, and other services. Go to the top right-hand corner of the API dashboard and click on Personal, then select View API Keys here. You'll need to create a new API key. Before you proceed, ensure you have a payment method set up under the Billing section, as API usage is not covered by the free tier of OpenAI services. Click on Billing and then Payment Methods to add your billing information. Remember, generating content with the API is inexpensive, costing only a few cents per use, but it requires a valid payment method. Back in the API Keys section, click Create New to generate your key. Name your key something memorable, like Content Scheduler AI Key. Be sure to keep this key secure because you won't see it again after this setup. Copy and save your new API key in a secure location. Switch back to your Content Scheduler AI. Go to the Settings, find the section for API integration, and paste your new API key there. Make sure to save your settings. If you want, you can set up system prompts immediately or do it later. System prompts help define the context or role for the AI to perform, enhancing how it generates content. Thanks for watching this video on integrating the OpenAI API with Content Scheduler AI. Explore more tools at my Software Booziness to elevate your digital marketing, like our Apollo Easy Scraper and Cold Email Bot. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit mysoftwarebooziness.com for more tools like this. See you in the next video.